Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video, too. Stay safe.
You were looking at, and mouth the word help to you with a thumb across it.
What the f are you doing?
And is gonna come up to the bathroom. And that same little cloche, like, she brings it out and you can see the empty plate. And then
why is there so many people at Walmart at 7:45?
Shit, give me all this shit.
Bro, who's this absolute idiot right here?
What the f are they doing?
Oh my god.
Ah, what a dick move.
Okay.
Okay, Garmin! Say video!
Please say it got that.
Okay, Garmin! Say video! No, it didn't do it.
No, it totally did. Say video.
Video Spy Jam.
Damn it!
Jesus Christ.
Love you guys. Had a great time at the Gay Show. It was great seeing you guys there. I
saw him as well, and I was actually excited to watch him get ID'd walking into the venue because I thought it'd be a great opportunity to pull out his fake Hawaii ID. He didn't do it. Pulled out a regular ID. He's an actor. His name's
Holy moly. Dashcam lessons, here you come.
Everyone knows.
What the Mierda, pero la gente, man. Yo. Apple, and you decide to go out slow. Dude.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.